Hello. Let's work with inequalities. Consider then an increasing function g of x equals x over 7. I take the number divided by 7. This is an increasing function all over the real numbers. So if a is smaller than b, a divided by 7 is smaller than b divided by 7. And you can see here graphically. It does not matter if a or b are positive or negative, this always preserved. This order is always preserved, which means that g of a is smaller than g of b. We can do that because function g is strictly increasing. Now, if we work with a function f now which is decreasing, then we have to reverse things. If x is smaller than 5, f of x is going to be bigger than f of 5. Be careful, we are changing the inequalities now. X smaller than 5, if and only if f of x is bigger than f of 5. Changing the inequalities, okay? So suppose that's the case. So we say x is smaller than 5 if and only if f of x is smaller than f of 5. If f is increasing, and you reverse the inequality if f is decreasing. Okay? It depends on the nature of function f. So be careful with that. Let's solve a practical problem here so that you can get a feeling. Find all the values of x such that this inequality holds. That's our problem. Find all real numbers such that the inverse of the number is smaller than 7. So we have to break this problem in two parts. If x is positive, right? You multiply both sides by x. Multiplying by x, multiplying by a positive number, you keep the inequality as it is. You cancel this as 1, you divide it by 7, dividing by 7 again is increasing function, so that's our solution here. If x is positive, x has to be bigger than 1 over 7, right? But if f is negative, is the other case now. When we do the same trick, we multiply both sides by x, we have to change the inequality here. Instead of this, we have the other way, the inequality. This is 1 as before, 7x is smaller than 1. Divide by 7, we keep the inequality. Division by 7 is applying an increasing function. So x has to be smaller than 1/7. But this holds for all negative numbers. All negative numbers are smaller than 1 over 7. Right? So all in all, the solution is, well, all negative numbers satisfy our inequality, or also the positive numbers which are bigger than 1 over 7. In terms of interval, the x belongs to the interval from minus infinity to 0, not at 0, and then from 1 over 7 to plus infinity. Has to be sufficiently large. Okay? Thanks for watching.